Introducing the Surface Edger, a new tool designed to make pressure washing the edges of paved surfaces faster, cleaner, and easier. Pavement cleaning machines are among the best ways to remove dirt and grime from pavement. Yet effective as they are, these machines can leave the edges of the pavement in need of a touch-up. Designed by and for professional pressure washers, or anybody who wants to clean like one, this simple tool gets those pavement edges spotlessly clean fast. With its convenient two-wheeled configuration, the Surface Edger cleans as fast as you can walk, while using a simple pressure wash nozzle is one available solution to cleaning the edges. This generally kicks up a lot of mud, grass, and dirt from the adjoining ground. The Surface Edger's unique design keeps the mud and grass where it's supposed to be, off the pavement. The Surface Edger can accommodate 2.5 to 8 gallons of water per minute and is compatible with machines of up to 5,000 psi. Constructed of rugged, heavy-grade materials that provide years of dependable use, the Surface Edger helps you get your pavement looking brand new every time. Check out the Bomford Ditch Cleaner, an amazingly effective tool for clearing roadside overgrowth from British company Bomford Turner. Created as an attachment for sidearm mowers, the Ditch Cleaner is the perfect tool for cleaning existing roadsides in either wet or dry conditions. Compatible for use with the company's Eagle, Falcon, and Buzzard models, this compact but powerful tool can be configured for both left or right side operations. The Ditch Cleaner uses a 660mm diameter rotary cutting head that can be turned up to 90 degrees. Powered by a multi-stroke radial piston motor, the standard model includes a rotor speed of between 205 and 320 revolutions per minute. At those speeds, this industrial-scale weed eater can make quick work of unattractive weeds and grass. The Ditch Cleaner is also available in a high-speed version. With its ability to kick up the rotor speed to 500 RPMs, even heavy, damp undergrowth doesn't stand a chance. Available with either manual or hydraulic adjustments, the Ditch Cleaner helps keep roadsides safe and attractive. This is the SC200 Sand Cleaner from the Bobcat Corporation, a high-performance attachment designed to make sand smooth, attractive, and free of debris. Useful for beaches, farms, playgrounds, and sports fields, this amazing sand sifter allows the operator to quickly sift unwanted items out of sand or soil. The SC200 offers an array of features for the driver, and the removable panels grant easy access to maintenance personnel. Available in several sizes, its removable grill can capture items as small as cigarette butts or bottle caps, to sticks, bottles, and broken glass. The open rear grille offers drivers greater visibility, and the pivoting system allows for adjusting the pickup angle. Items below the surface can be retrieved using the hydraulic depth control. The sharp angled cutting edge repeatedly enters the surface, leaving the unwanted refuse with nowhere to hide. As the surface is cleared of debris, the attached back blade leaves the ground looking smooth and clean. When it's time for fun in the sun, thank goodness for machines like the Bobcat SC200 Sand Cleaner. Meet the MC3 Vacuum Machine, a three-wheeled event cleaner from Dutch company Widentech. Millions of people enjoy attending outdoor concerts and festivals, but the trash left behind could take days to clean up. With the MC3's powerful intake and large retention capacity, this massive vacuum can clean up vast, heavily littered areas with amazing speed. The MC3's front position suction openings prevent its wheels from pressing the trash into the ground before attempting removal. Two powerful intake fans generate an incredible amount of suction, enabling the MC3 to pick up almost anything in its path. The fans also serve to shred the trash prior to entering the collection bin. With its cab positioned just above the intake tube, the driver is afforded outstanding visibility. Its three-wheeled construction makes the MC3 highly maneuverable when operating in and around structures or obstacles. When finally at full capacity, the collector bin is raised and emptied using a hydraulic tilting mechanism. When called upon, the MC3 can also be used to pick up leaves. Even after events with record-setting crowds, the MC3 cleans up the aftermath in record time. Introducing the Aadan E4, a highly efficient, cost-effective means of cleaning solar panels at large energy parks. Though massive solar energy installations are providing millions of people with electricity, the sand and dust that collects on their solar arrays can reduce power output by up to 35%. Manual cleaning requires tremendous costs in labor and water, which is already in extremely short supply. Using no water whatsoever, the Aadan E4 can clean up to 5,000 solar panels per month at a single location. The Aadan E4 uses a system of microfiber brushes, controlled airflow, and the force of gravity to remove virtually every speck of dust and sand from the vast solar arrays. Managed from an external location, this autonomous robotic system is 99% effective in returning the solar panels to their pristine condition. The E4 works 24 hours a day, resulting in a 0% loss of electric power. The Aadan E4 has recently expanded into India, where solar power is sorely needed. Easily installed and maintained, the Aadan E4 helps large solar energy companies deliver more energy much more efficiently. Check out the TH420, an incredible trash skimming boat from Indian company Clean Tech Infra. For Hindus, few things are more sacred than the Ganges River. Unfortunately, much of this beloved waterway is polluted by trash, deadly bacteria, and even animal carcasses. Battling to reduce this ever-growing threat, vessels like the TH420 are beginning to make a difference, used for cleaning rivers, lakes, reservoirs, dams, and other bodies of water. This heroic ship can clean away floating trash, religious waste, weeds, algae, and other debris. As it moves through the water, its forward attachment skims debris from the surface, while allowing the water to filter through. As the refuse is skimmed away, a rotating wire mesh conveys it up to a collection bin. The TH420 is propelled by paddle wheels, which actually have the effect of improving the quality of the water. Their churning motion reconstitutes the stagnant water by adding much-needed oxygen. Footage taken before and after the TH420 has cleaned an area of water proves its effectiveness. To the local inhabitants, the benefit is clear. Meet the Sea Bin, an autonomous device designed to help create cleaner oceans with healthier marine life. Invented by former plastics maker Andrew Turton, this revolution in ocean cleaning technology could make a huge difference in our ecosystem. The Sea Bin uses a floating debris interception device designed to clean the waters near marinas, docks, yacht clubs, and commercial ports. Using a small pump, the Sea Bin pulls the surrounding water, oil, and any floating refuse into an inner catch bag. The water is then filtered by the bag's burlap cloth and pumped back into the sea, trapping the trash inside. With only a 12-kilogram capacity, the bag should be emptied twice a day. Deployed where it's needed most, a single Sea Bin can trap up to a half-ton of debris per year. Along with Sea Bin co-founder Pete Siglinski, Turton and his team are totally committed to a clean marine environment. They regularly organize groups to clean up local beaches and often perform dives to collect debris from the seabed. After successful pilot programs were conducted at various marinas, the Sea Bin has proven its worth as an effective ecological tool and is now available. This is the PIMR multifunctional device from Poland's Industrial Institute of Agricultural Engineering, a mind-boggling machine built for cleaning and landscaping municipally owned waterways. Designed primarily for the cleaning of ditches and canals, this monster machine can work in open waterways that no other machine could possibly access. Its single caterpillar drive chain allows it to operate from inside the waterway. When needed, additional wheels positioned on mechanical sidearm extensions provide extra stability. Using an innovative system of supporting arms, the PIMR multifunctional device can bring to bear an insane amount of turntable-style tools. Its plethora of mulchers, mowers, and trimmers are further augmented by tools for reshaping slopes or removing mud or undesired vegetation. Large, heavy items can be removed with the 2-ton lifting capacity of the rear 3-point hitch. To enhance stability and driver comfort on uneven terrain, the position of the chassis can be hydraulically adjusted. The John Deere 6.8-liter engine enables speeds of 1 to 6 kilometers per hour. No matter how unsightly the waterway has become, the PIMR multifunctional device can give it a total makeover. Which of these cleaning machines amazed you the most? Tell us in the comment section below. Remember, you can now watch our videos in Spanish on our channel Freeze Lists Español. To do so, just click on this link and you'll be redirected there. See you soon!